What's going on, guys? Devin here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the TaoTronics wireless stereo sports headphones. The model number is the TT-BH12. Flipping the box over, we've got some information, no specs by the look of it. No, so I've decided to change the ways I do videos. I'm going to do an unboxing and review all in one video, just so I don't have to do two, and I think it just makes more sense. So we're just going to cut the seals here. Very tight box, holy. And we'll just put that one too. Pull this knife out. We should just pop this lid off here. Boom. Okay, nice looking box already. We're gonna pull this. Oh wow, I like this design. So we've got this little box here. Which way does it come out? It comes out like this. Yep. And inside the box we have, oh awesome, a carrying case. Some efficient ear tips. Here we go. Like USB cable. Little thing card. Tiny micro USB cable, and it's flat as well, which is awesome. So you'll still have the stuff aside here. Put this in this box. Looks to be a booklet. In case you don't know how it works with earbuds, yeah, that's your box. And then there's this nice presentation, and then wow, look at that presentation. That's very nice, actually. This nice foam. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack this away here. So this is my unboxing part of this video, and then what I can do is I'll come back. It'll be the same video. I'll come back and then I will do the review. So that's a really nice presentation. Let's take a quick look at these earbuds here. Got this really thin cable, and whoa, the drivers are. Look at the size of these things on here. Holy, it's pretty big. So on this looks to be our right. I'm just trying to imagine this here. Yeah, so this is our right earbud. They don't seem to have any markings on them. So on the right earbud, we've got the micro USB port. You can always tell by where this thing is. That's your right earbud, and on the left we don't have anything except for the driver. So I'll be back here in a few days, a week or so, to come and test these, test them, and I'm going to test them right now, and then I'm going to come back with my review. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so I am back, and with my review portion of this video. So I've been carrying these earbuds around in this little carrying case that was provided because they're just easy to carry around in here. So what I keep in here is the buds and very nice micro USB cable. It's flat and very short, which is really good. So I've been using these for a few days now, and I've done some pretty heavy testing with them. The pre-installed ear tips were perfect for me, so I kept them on there. So let's get into the review part here. Let's be real here. They don't sound they're not great, but they're not bad either. They fit well, they're comfortable, and they stay on your ears very well, actually. The design, not something I like. It's really bulky. They're really big. Like they're not a very small earbud, which I would like to see. That more next time. The battery life was really good, which explains that, and all that. The bulk that explains it. Sound, like I said, it's not great, but it's not bad either. It's just the bass is very low. It's quite tinny actually, but for making a phone call and all that, it's not a problem. For watching a YouTube video, yeah, no problem. But I don't think these are really not that good for those audio heads that love their bass, their perfect audio come from some really expensive earbuds or headphones. No, that's not for these people. This is for someone who's like out for a jog and doesn't, just for casual listening, really. These do a great job at that. Yeah, they don't sound great, but they're not bad. And they calls sound great. For other people that I talked to on the phone, they heard me completely fine, which is great. So you can take a call, and if you don't have to disconnect them because they sound horrible. No, it's not the case at all. But, yeah. So, would I recommend these? I would recommend them to people who are looking for more of an athletic, earbud. And they stay on your ears really well, they fit comfortably, they're not too heavy, and you don't notice they're not there either. You want them to notice they're not there so you don't wonder if they fell off or anything, but obviously you shouldn't be playing. But anyway, so I want to thank TaoTronics for sending this out for me for an unboxing and review. So yeah, they need to less focus on the unboxing part. The unboxing was perfect. I just wish the sound quality was better. The sound quality was, like I said, it was tinny, and it wasn't great. Not what I would expect out of an earbud of that price range. So, yeah, again, I want to thank TaoTronics for sending these out for me for review. And yeah, I would recommend these absolutely to someone who is looking for a decently cheap pair of earbuds that don't fall off. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content. All my social media links are down below in the description, so go ahead and give me a follow. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.